Hello, my lovely friends, and what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, Barbies and Kens. I'm really happy to be sitting down and doing this. So, I kind of touched base on this the other day, but basically, when I did my Fashion Nova video, I was really disappointed in my order to the point where, I didn't want to get anything from anywhere for a while like that if I wasn't actually, feeling or touching the clothes. So, I just wasn't clothes shopping for a while, which is cool. I was getting, vintagey stuff from Goodwill and everything. But then me and my friend started looking at the SHEIN. They took the inside part away. Do you remember SHEIN Inside back then? Now it's just SHEIN. I feel like somebody else bought the company because everything from what I remember hearing about it to now is totally different. And this stuff is so freaking cool that I got, guys. I'm finally happy that I found a cool place to shop from that isn't like Dolls Kill. And they have stuff that's so freaking reasonable. Even some of it is stuff that was on the Dolls Kill website. And I feel like they just put their tags into it and it was just mass produced because they have this stuff for way cheaper on SHEIN. So, SHEIN, you might want to, might want to sponsor me in the future because I want ham. I didn't want to go too crazy because I didn't know what I was getting myself into with this order. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys because I haven't gotten any new clothes in a while. And I'm going to be showing you right over here how it looks on me. And I'm going to be giving, as we know, my honest opinion because I wouldn't want you buying something that is crap. Like I said, Fashion Nova, I'm just I'm sorry, guys. I do not care for them, but came right out of my hand. Let's try that again. Boom. Comes in this really cool SHEIN bag. I like these because I can use these. I'm pretty sure that they're sturdy enough. I can probably mail stuff in these maybe, or use them for something of the sort because I'm ripping at this and it's just not breaking. So good quality bag there if you like to reuse, reuse, recycle like me. But this is the first thing. I'm kind of weird about how it fits me. I know in the future when I start gaining more weight, I plan to try to, that this will fit me really, really tight and nice, maybe in the summer, but for now I can just work to that. I love the material. I love the print. I think it looks really flattering and cute on my body type even so, and it lays right at my hip area, so it's not too tight. I'll grow into it pretty nicely, and this was a size extra small. I would say that the extra small is I am an extra small, and to me, the extra small fits me pretty perfect. Let me just double check. Yeah, this was, oh wait, no, this is small. Oh my goodness. Or did I put this in the wrong bag? I might have put this in the wrong bag. Let me double check. I think I'm going to put it up on the screen. Everything will be put up on the screen because I was trying this stuff on before and I might have switched the bags around a little bit. So I'm just going to put everything that I got the way it is and how it comes, because some stuff is extra small, some stuff is just small. And, oh wait, shouldn't there be a, you're so funny, Gabby, there's a tag. Does it say the size on it? No? Machine wash. How can I wash this? Is it actually cold, gentle? Dry low, remove promptly, iron low. So I could probably just let it dry. Anyways, this is really cute. I love it. And I was going to tell you guys how much I paid, but to be honest, I don't remember. So that's also up on the screen. So this is, let's just keep on with the strawberry theme. I got this strawberry bucket hat. Why? I feel like I pay for bucket hats way too much money. And I just feel like bucket hats should not be something that you're spending a lot of your money on. So I feel like this looked super cute on me. The quality is really nice. The print is stinking adorable on it. How could you not love that? Very, very cute. Very obsessed with it. That's what it looks like on. It's kind of fun for the beach, just as a big sun hat to keep the sun out of my face. So I like this. This is a 10/10 recommend in my book. Kind of just bouncing around to different things right now. These earrings I got are so freaking cute. Do you see them? These little poodles. Let's take them out and check them out. There we go. What's going on with these? I wanted them because they're just like little flocked animals. Like they're just... Hello. Look how cute. So freaking cute. I love them. Very cute. Alright, next up is this dress. I was a little sad about it. It's really pretty. Is it not super pretty? I should have known though that it's an extra small, but I was taking a chance on this one. Because to me, it kind of fits like an apron. It doesn't look good, and I don't know. I just don't want to keep something, obviously, that does not fit, and this for sure isn't fitting me the way I was planning for it to. So I actually think that this dress, I'm going to put it up onto my Depop and my eBay, and maybe one of you guys might want to purchase it there. It definitely fits more like a small than an extra small, say that much. And yeah, I guess my body just didn't flow with it well. The top just, my boobs are tiny. It just didn't, you know, we didn't vibe well, but it is all good. Because maybe one of you guys would want it. Now I can't help myself with bucket hats. So we got another one. Now this one I really, really, really appreciate because it has a drawstring on it. So it's easy to kind of just make it whatever size that you are to fit your little head. But on, it's pretty cute. Just looks like a little explorer hat. It says angel on it. I have a soft spot for bucket hats. I could probably have a whole crap load of them. They can kind of run pricey. So that's why, you know, for $4 or $5, some of them even $3, that was a great deal. This skirt, I was hoping it was gonna fit me. Ooh, was I hoping it was gonna fit me, because I don't have a lot of stuff that's white. It gets dirty easily, and you know, I don't want to get something and then it gets ruined. Everything I feel like that I owned that was white, I had to tie-dye it because it got dirty. So I just thought this was the cutest little tennis skirt, and on, it fits so freaking cute. It could use a little iron on the bottom, but I love how it just kind of like hugs my hips, and hopefully the more weight that I gain, that it might just like sit a little bit nicer, maybe give more of a shape. But for now, I really like how it's fitting me. This is super fun. I was thinking about not getting it because it was a small and not an extra small, like they didn't offer that for it. But I'm so happy I got it. It got cute little ties on the side, so it kind of gives your body like this little curve to it. If you don't have curves to begin with, it kind of helps out. I love the print on it is really freaking nice. And overall, just like the quality feels nice, like a Forever 21 shirt. Nothing like crazy, like it doesn't feel bad or anything. Yeah, this is size small on the tag. And yeah, for the most part, I don't see anything wrong with it. I really love it, and I think it looks really cute on. I actually figured the angel and the hat and the skirt would just all work together, like that hat and everything. So I really like how it turned out, and it just looks cute together. So this necklace was on there for like $2, something like that, I believe. And I bought it because I want to take it off of the ball chain that's on. I don't really care for that look. And I want to make a bracelet out of it. I wanted to see how, you know, the quality everything was. And, you know, if I have any orders in the future that I make, I was going to buy more of these little bears and then make them into a bracelet. So I think that's still what I want to do. And the quality of this is really good. After I got this, they actually all sold out, which made me a little sad. But not all of them, but like a couple of the ones I really wanted in this one. So at least I have this. But I basically just want to take him off the chain and then add him to a bracelet, like a little charm bracelet of bears. I just thought that would be really cute to make. So I have him to save for when I do that. And then last but not least is this dress. And oh my god, this is like one of their best sellers on their website. I love this heart dress. So freaking cute. I was looking at a lot of heart stuff, and I'm just happy I bought this because overall the material is so soft and like buttery and silky, and it feels nice on. It looks amazing. Oh my god, it just curves my body like in really nice ways, and it's just so pretty. I just love it. And this is a a US 2, so it's an extra small. And those are the straps. I was a little concerned the straps were going to be a little too long on me, but they fit really good and everything just looks nice and proportioned in this dress. Gives me a little extra too because it's a little bit tighter around that area. So those are all of my purchases from SHEIN for today. I hope you guys liked my first SHEIN review because I'm kind of obsessed. I feel like I need to get more SHEIN stuff in the future for sure. I am really overall happy with the quality and I'm just excited I have somewhere I can shop again for clothes because like I said, I kind of was on a hiatus and I wasn't really getting a lot of stuff because I was like looking, you know, I did videos too on like smaller business brands because I just didn't want stuff that was going to fall apart or get pilly or crappy. So I will keep you updated and hopefully we will have another one of these hauls soon in the future. So I love you guys very much and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.